Tell me f4 is not enough. Tell me f4 cannot be cinematic. Tell me f4 is slow. Tell me there is not enough bokeh. Tell me it's boring. Tell me it lacks character. Tell me it looks like shot on an iPhone. Tell me you need an f1.4 prime lens to get a beautiful image. Tell me composition and lighting don't matter, a fast lens does. Tell me f4 is not the most popular aperture in feature films. Tell me you cannot get a great shot on a zoom lens. Tell me you only need G-Master lenses. Tell me gear matters more than skills. Tell me experience and talent are overrated. Tell me you don't need to see the background, just obliterating it in bokeh balls is the right way to film. Tell me pros don't use f4 lenses. Tell me you can't film an entire wedding with it. Tell me f4 gives you no volume. Tell me it wasn't cinematic.